Hey everyone. So a couple people are having issues with not seeing things properly because of the way their settings are set up. This happens when your personal Google accounts are linked on the same browser as your school account. So what you have to do, you have to go sign into Canvas. You have to go to your account. You have to select Settings. Once you're under Settings, you can scroll down and you'll see Registered Services and Other Services. If you see Google Drive is under registered service, so if I select it and say authorize it, it'll pop up over here. And if it's over here, you need to click on it and there's a little red X and you need to select the red X and you need to disable it so it's not under registered services and it'll pop up over on this side here. Once it has done that, that's a good sign. What you do is you go back up to your hcpss.me, okay, and you're going to sign into your G Suite. And once you're signed in, go over to the side and make sure you are signed in as your school account and nothing else. If you are signed in or there's another account in here and they're linked, you need to sign out of that other account and make sure you are only signed in. You can see the HCPSS logo here. You can see my school account. And then it should be all set and you should be able to go back to your main page. And the way you would check to make sure it works is you'd go back to your class, you'd go into the module, and you'd open up whatever Google assignment you were trying to get to. So say if I'm in here and I know this assignment is on Google, I would look at it and see if I can then access it. Sorry, I guess it's not that one. Or that one. So again, just go to whichever one you have that would be an actual Google assignment. Click on it, make sure you can read it. I'm not sure why I can't see. It would be this page that has the Google Doc in it. So this one, I should be able to then see the embedded Google document once it processes. It's just taking a minute. There you go. Now I can see the Google document that wasn't showing up there before. Okay. So again, just follow those steps. It's under Account, under Settings. You scroll down and you have to take it off of the registered services and get rid of that.